welcome back to Open, everyone. You know, always inviting you to get social with us. That's right. Tweet us at BronxNet TV, and while you're there, tweet me too at Rhina Valentin. So, Zaro's Family Bakery. They have been serving the Bronx community and the rest of New York City with its wonderful pastries for almost a century. 93 years to be exact, right?
That would be correct.
Yep. So check this out, though. In 2015, its primary Bronx location was forced to shut down after residing in Parkchester since 1959. But in 2017, through the graces of New Zaro's Bakery, reopened near the location on Metropolitan Avenue in Parkchester. And, well, here to tell us more about the history of the bakery, and they brought me some tasty pies. Well, of course, this is just to get a taste of what you guys can have for Thanksgiving. Please welcome Scott and Brian Zaro from Zaro's Family Bakery. Hello, gentlemen.
How are you? Thank you for
Hello,
having us.
thank you for having us today.
Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I don't know if I'm excited to have you guys or have the pies.
It could be both.
You're excited to have us.
Well, you know, you guys are like living legends, right? Even though you're like, what, 3 generations down?
Four.
Four.
So great-grandfather came over with nothing from Poland in 1927, put up enough money to bring his 3 boys and his wife over, and they opened the first bakery in the Bronx, and they lived above the bakery in the Bronx, and they literally just slept and worked the bakery.
And that was in Kingsbridge, you said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so what's beautiful, though, right, is that, yes, it's a family business, but it just keeps getting passed on.
Correct. So we're now in the 4th generation. Myself, my brother Scott, and our other brother Michael, unfortunately, that couldn't be here today. And it's pretty amazing. There we get to carry the torch into the 4th generation, hopefully the 5th generation, and get to 100 years.
Well, what's lovely is how important your Bronx roots matter. And I'm saying this only because, there was a little incident that occurred.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't have to go into the full details, but we can definitely share with everyone how the community came out for you.
And that's truly, no joke, it was the community of Parkchester that got us back. The community, once we unfortunately had left in the winter of 15, just didn't stop and called, emailed, went to the landlord's office, and the landlord reached out and was just like, look, we got to have you back.
Right.
And we got to make this work. And we're back. And we opened actually Thanksgiving week in 17.
In 17. So what were you out for, 2 years?
Yeah, just about 2 years.
Almost 2 years.
Yeah.
Almost 2 years.
A little less.
Here's to beautiful protesting, right?
Yeah.
The rest of America could catch up.
But it's lovely being back, and we love being in Parkchester, and that store is very near and dear to my heart. So.
Well, we're happy that you're back, and I'm especially happy that you're coming and sharing some pies here. So, I mean, Zaro's is more than just pies, so you want to share a little bit about everything that's offered at Zaro's?
Absolutely. We're best known for our black and white. That's what our traditional item, and our challah bread as well. We have over 150 SKUs, so you can walk into our bakery and get anything from cookies to bread to a slice of cake to a pastry.
Let's not forget the prune Danish.
The prune Danish. Our older crowd loves the prune Danish, but no,
Here's the fiber.
The items again. It's the challah bread, the black and white. Our pretzel's phenomenal. We've been selling close to 4,500 pretzels a week. And I don't know, I could do, how long do we have to list all the items?
We have to talk about
You want me to keep going?
No, I mean, just to give everybody a sense of what they have, because you have an array of options, right? And we're here talking about pies, but I do want to share one other thing, and I would like for our audience to be educated. Like, you're certified as being kosher, so what does it take to be a kosher establishment?
I'll let Scott
Do you want to answer that one?
No problem. I'd be happy to. So we work with some amazing rabbis up at our factory in the Bronx that have to come by, and that we have to follow certain regulations that they set. They come by once a month, and they come and they check your facility, and they make sure that everything is proper and we're doing things the right way, using the right ingredients, making sure that certain areas of our factory don't have any dairy, and you got to keep parve, and just gotta follow and do the right thing. And
I think it's lovely.
You got to bake and wash in different sections.
No,
It's all-
the reason I brought that up is because it matters to a lot of people,
Yes, it
right?
does.
Absolutely.
And there are people who when they fly, they specifically request kosher meals, and so I don't know if people know that about your establishment
we are-
and
we
the
are
fact that you take
certified
that
kosher
extra
bakery.
step.
Yes,
yeah,
we do.
that's
Absolutely.
amazing. All right, so now it's pie tasting
Yeah,
time.
let's do it.
Woo!
Let's do this. All right, so we have an apple crumb, a pumpkin, and a pecan. I thought these were like three of the more Thanksgiving type pies. We do
Yeah.
have an apple crisp, which is up front. I guess I just mentioned that. And a coconut custard as well. If we
Oh
do want
my-
to dip into that, we can as well.
Oh,
you let
good.
me know. So which one do you want to try first?
Okay, so wait, we have apple,
Yeah, apple crisp,
apple crisp,
pumpkin, and a pecan.
and a
Pecan.
pecan. All right, so just because it's traditional, let's start with apple, and I'm gonna work
Oh,
my
here he
my way up.
goes.
I'm going to attempt to cut this.
Okay.
This could get ugly, but let's, we're
You're okay with me just forking
yeah,
it
we're
in
just
there?
Gonna, here we go.
He's like-
maybe my brother would want to feed you.
Yeah, if it's
you're up for
okay,
it.
if it's kosher.
Oh my
I think it's a PG broadcast here, so we don't want to overstep here.
Okay, well maybe you can feed me in the next one. Let's see how I do feeding myself first.
Okay, I think you'll be fine. It's good, right? It's phenomenal. Oh, you got it.
Okay, well, crunch is a big factor.
It's got a little crunch. The apples are phenomenal. They're all fresh. All the ingredients, everything is clean label, no artificial. So it's really, really
All right,
phenomenal.
we're
We're
moving on here.
excited.
Scott, you
And
get
it-
to try a little
Yes.
pumpkin. We can't be just shoving
Okay,
everything to
sure.
Rhina,
Right.
you know?
Okay.
You
does
sure?
it.
You know-
We got to share,
We have to share.
right? That's what Thanksgiving
Yeah,
is about.
absolutely. It's
All right,
about.
let me get a little pecan for us.
Yeah. Do you
Phenomenal.
always taste test your product?
Of course, it's really important.
How
Let
do
me
you stay fit?
swallow first.
How do you stay fit?
That's a great question, right? There are some secrets, Rhina. I can't divulge such intimate matters.
I mean, I don't know if I could be in a bakery all the time taste testing things. And
Pecan's a little tough.
I'd have to have that elliptical. I like the ellipticals right
Elliptical's
next to
great.
where the bakery, where my favorite dish
Yeah.
would be. It would be like eating and running at the same time.
You're getting a little run on and a little
Yeah,
eat.
yeah,
I
yeah.
hear
Same
you.
time,
You
I love
do?
it. I do, of course.
He's struggling over
Yeah.
here.
I feel
Yeah,
bad.
The
We
pecan's
didn't.
a little tough.
Okay.
It's very good. It's a
You got it?
thick pie.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
We'll dip into that guy.
Good things never came easy, right?
Right.
Isn't that what they say?
Absolutely. That's what it's all
Love
about.
that quote.
The struggle is good.
Yes. Here we
It's worth
go.
it, though. I kind of want to try the pecan, actually.
The pecan's great.
I'm never a big pecan.
I'm
pie
more of an
fan,
apple guy. I mean, I
Yeah,
wanted
I'm
to
a
break into this
berry,
three-berry,
fruit,
but we didn't. I thought we
but,
brought a
we
three-berry.
do. I thought we
So-
Yeah, we
You
do
guys
have
are
a
hilarious.
three-berry.
The
Thank you.
beauty.
Yeah.
You should come to our Thanksgiving.
You know what? Thanks for the
It's,
invitation. I'm
God.
going to consider that. And so,
no problem. We'd
well,
love to have you.
Oh my gosh, we have all these options there.
Our mother's running around the house setting up a play set for you right now at the table.
Oh, good. I'm going to take you up on that. But first, we got to let our viewers know that if you don't want to bake your own pies, you can go to Zaro's, right? And I got to tell you, just obviously from this experience here, it's quite delicious and quite kosher. All right, once again, to get your pies and, of course, breads and pastries for Thanksgiving, be sure to visit Zaros.com for the nearest location near you. All right, stay tuned because Bobby C. Weekly Sports Roundup is coming up next.